Hello everybody, this is Russ Bucher from ControlMyNikon, and welcome to the Using Profiles tutorial. Profiles are used to store camera settings so you can reuse them at a later time. And let's take a look at how we can set up a profile and then save it and reload it later. Before you can use profiles, you need to ensure that you connect to your camera. So I'm currently connected to a D7000. Now if we go over to the Profiles tab, here's a list of profiles that I've created for doing various demos and various shoots. Here is the default profile, and when you install ControlMyNikon, you just get one profile, and that is the default profile. A profile stores many of the settings for your camera, so you could create a profile that contains all these settings, including flash, these settings here, including your file names and folders, and even some live view settings. The focus stacking settings here are saved into your profile, as well as bracketing information and settings for your intervalometer. So all these settings are stored into a profile, and you can make as many profiles as you like. So let's say we wanted to create a brand new profile. We're just going to call this profile test. Once we create it, it doesn't automatically switch to it. If you want to switch to it, you need to double click on it or just select it and hit the open button up here. Let's go to profile test. Any of the settings that we make, and I'm just going to turn off live view here for a moment, any of the settings we make are going to be stored. So let's make a shutter, say, only 1/4, and aperture 6.7, and just pick any settings you like. Then we go back to profiles and we go save, and it says, are you sure? Yeah, we're sure. So now if we go back to our previous profile, is here, and you can see the shutter and aperture settings and so on. Now I'm going to reload our profile test profile, and we'll see that these change. Profile test, and here it's changed. So whenever you make any setting changes here, they are also made in the camera. Now you can have a profile auto load and auto save. So if we go to preferences, we could say auto load, so it'll load the most recently used profile. And if we go auto save, when you disconnect from the camera, it's going to save the camera settings to the current profile as well. And that's it. That's how you use profiles in ControlMyNikon. Happy tethering.